You are a celebrity now. You say your life is out there. Ne? You have a relationship. Even your relationship is popular. Yaziwa sayazi thina my friends we approve of it. Niyahlukana. What needs to happen from there? Do you need to go back to us and say, hey guys, niyazi lapha bengishaya khona. Sebangishayela sihlukene or wenzani? What's the way forward?
Yo we break up.
Yeah. Niyahlukana manje.
Yo. Okay. Yeah, kumele mfethu ungayi-announce i-break up yenu ukuthi okay. So that uzokwazi na ukuthi uphile impilo e-free.
Bese nanibuyela nako niyabuyelana good niyabuye nasitshela good.
Yeah, we
Mfethu
decided
ungabuyeli kwi-ex. Awubuyeli kwi-ex.
Let's not go there. Okay, there's
uyayibona phela uyazi kunomuntu kunocherry brane ukhona umnika 1000 umbona uda yena akayibhubhudla uyazama uneqhinga like he's working towards something hayi ukuthi umuntu ozomnika 1000 bese kusasa baby awuna 500 it's why
kade umnikeze 1000
mara kade umnikele 1000 izolo semele ushayise emberegweni ubuye uzothenga itswayi endlini le 5 rand or ukhipha umuntu angeke ukhipha intombi yakho uyise on a date ubhatela ukudla ubhatela itrip ubhatela ama movie uthenga ijuice uhlule
thank you so much
na Jerry uhlule nakubhatela igate lethi ticket le gate uhlule
why kunzima ukuthi wena uthi let's go out for dates for a date mina usho nje kumina let's go out for a date why abantu besifazane first they always gets like bathola i-treatment special from us.
Yeah,
that's why because we standing in front of the altar, ne? We are saying through good and bad, Mina will stay with you.
Yeah,
I'm with you through good and bad. Ne? It comes a time whereby umuntu uyashita. Umuntu makachita, you leave that person. Remember you made a promise. Njame phambi komfundisi ukuthi through good and bad uhlala naye.
Where are you going with this?
What I want to ask is through good and bad, does it count if umuntu uyachita naye?
No.
How can it bad yini?
No, there are situations ezoba khona ku relationship, not cheating, chief. Cheating is cheating is wrong. No. Cheating is wrong. Cheating is wrong. Cheating is wrong.
Wrong is bad, mus.
Cheating is wrong.
Wrong is bad.
Cheating is wrong.
Cheating is wrong.
Okay. Hallelujah. Welcome to another smashing episode of Pochet 101. Of course, it's your boy Tasco, the host of the show, co-hosting with him on the left-hand side, Stula Sami. Introducing on the left, it's my boy Sepp Avaria.
My boy.
She's Wabantwana.
She's
Sanele Z.
Salutes.
Hamba ni Prayam.
Utalez wait.
Nandi. Ngicrede mfethu.
Oh, ngutalez. Ningiphatheleni.
Mara why? Mara why?
Hey, phela besiyokuthenga eshop upheze sabuya na extra. Uvele wasmile nje hayi ngabona usisi ngathuletha kuphela kasabandi.
Keep the drinks coming.
Keep them coming. Abantu bafethu ni
Shap.
hayi bafethu mina nginento engihluphayo man.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, bafethu, social media toxic.
Very
social media bafethu toxic. Mara guys nanicabanga if that thing can happen to us like kube nama toxic comments. I-reaction yethu ngabanjani mara ngoba abantu ba toxic bra abantu abayijabuleli yonke into
Social media is
eyenzeka.
very toxic. Social media is very toxic.
Kunomuntu ongenako specially just to be toxic.
Yeah.
Phela yazi me saying this ne, there's this guy was in Northwest, oh my soul.
Yeah.
Uthenge this car but they are
6x6.
6x6.
Yeah, they are 10.
2025
Yeah.
they are 10
in the world. Yeah.
Ebrang vula ama comments. Yo ngisho
Toxic comments.
Bra. Everyone is saying you ama opinions wakhe nani abelungu bathi utshontshephi utshontshanani ukuzenze lokho like omunye nomunye usho something hateful nje abanye ngathi lento baphila yona.
But that's better, Joe. Yes, Leo ngiyayizwisisa. You know, there was this girl, ne? This girl was there was this challenge. collide challenge.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
when two people collide.
Yeah.
Then I mean ngimi engenziwe like you
Oh, yeah.
understand.
Umama
Yeah,
mahlangana
no
nobaba,
baba, then
phuma
it's me.
umngani. Yeah. Yeah.
So this girl was angazi ukuthi like it's uyabona muzimba wakhe
Yeah.
was same as me. No, like
Yeah.
So this girl kwaba nama comments that are negative and so negative.
Yo.
Girl lawyer, it's except I'm not sure, but eventually was bulala
due to ama comments.
due to comments.
Yeah.
Ay bra ebile mina ngibona ngathi TikTok iwest Joe.
TikTok is worse.
TikTok is very
Phela-
worse and it's harsh.
Yeah.
They say it as it is.
Yeah.
Yabo going back nje singayibheka khona this girl eculayo is in music Lady Zama.
Yeah.
Guys,
Oh.
Whatever South Africa is doing to that woman, it's very
Now
tricky
it's-
and it's very dangerous
yeah, it's
if you tend to
dangerous,
look at it. That's how toxic it is social media.
Yeah.
In our days each and every generation inganze skole, it's affecting is this trend ekhona pose at school. It's not supposed to happen in school.
Which one?
Le
This
ku-
posing-
Yeah,
this posing
the freezing
thing.
one. Yeah.
At school.
Ngibonile.
That's how toxic it is for each generation esiphila kuyona social media. So it's very
Yeah, it's
dangerous.
very dangerous, chief.
because omunye nomunye umuntu usho into knowing very well ukuthi angeke ufike kuye uyisho ahlezi abanye musi yazi TikTok the way it's so toxic abantu bakhona abanamagama bazibiza ngabo user 30 what you see that default name TikTok ikela yona labantu labo bazokuthuka pride will tell you what
Yeah, but TikTok is worse, Joe.
uqale ubani uqale ebile umunye bekabalwisa sorry to say his name ngoba ngiyamsaba mina uDominic
Which Dominic?
ugay Thanos Dominic omunye wegay nyana so awumazi animazi
Maybe
Dominic
ngokumbona.
Dominic bra igay angazi ukuthi ngisho kahle na but
It's bisexual or rather bisexual. Okay,
okay
it's gay.
yeah but igay
Yeah.
so bebamthuka like bathi bambiza ngobaba into kanjani kuma comments
Oh, I think I saw that.
yena ke if uyamthuka uyangena kusearch ukuthi ubani naqeda asho ukuthi hey zivani zise Bavaria ubereka lana ingaba laba ubereka khona bayazi ukuthi baqasha umuntu o homosexual kanjani
Yeah, alright. Angimsoli.
ay bra abanye bebamlisa ke for lokho and nami mina on my own okay I wrong into bayenzako but yena the way abalisa ngakhona what if bayaqoshwa and uqoshisa breadwin
Eish. But now breadwinner before comment akacabanga.
But we need to look at lento le yale pause le yasesikoleni. I really felt like I felt bad. Ukuthi okay now akuseka nankinga ukuthi uphathe phone esikoleni.
Yeah. Imagine. It's a norm, it's just a norm.
Yabo during thina ngekhathi besifunda ngazo.
Aye.
bebayithatha
Ifone ibithathu.
Uyithatha
Yeah.
December.
Now ifone
Masivala.
usungena nayo
Bafo.
eklasini
Awu.
uthisha ibone ukwazi ukushutha uthisha efundisa. The danger of each generation esiphila kuyona
The
manje.
2K generation.
So I think kunezinto ekumele kuphewe attention kuzona.
Yeah.
Kakhulu education mele do something about these things of ama phones esikoleni.
but le yokuthi freeze yabona labantwana ba freeze akho
Yes.
it's that a trend bayamane bazifreezela ubona or teacher uyabashuta yena nje thola ukuthi mhlambe kuyenzeka ukuthi like ni note eclassini teacher akekho and then makangena athi freeze
Awungitshela can notice uya freeze.
no teacher uyawalka yena around shothi ubona yonke into ebeniyenza yena when he was not in class
Hey.
ngoba that trend sengiyibone kaningi and the way yenzeka ngakhona omunye umthola phezulu kwe desk phela ajame on top of
Afreezile.
furniture afreezile so sifuna ukwazi ukuthi is that a trend or vele uyabathola benza lento le
it's a trend. It's a because if you see lama video lawa you see with challenge accepted.
Oh,
meaning
yeah.
meaning
Yeah.
it's
we
a
can do
challenge.
it better
Yabo.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
This thing is starting to affect ingane zesikole ukuthi manje they are focusing kakhulu kwizinto TikTok. Ukuthi sebe focusa kakhulu kulezi zinto zama challenge esikoleni. Yabo khona le going around at school asking abantu ukuthi who's the hottest guy in school.
yeah
Yabo all those things ezenzakalayo social media. Social media.
my social media has taken over Joe
It's
as
taken
toxic as it is it has taken over sorry yazi lento uyiqale njani even nabo tishere nabo they do content.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bafundisa like
but they even
Yeah,
go
yeah,
live.
baqula ama life science.
Yeah.
What when
or
you
when you do a maths, this is how my kids bazokhumbula some answers.
Yeah. Kumele siqale lapho ukuthi is that right yona na?
Okay.
Because in ibona abantwana
let us look at the good. What impact does it play in generation esiphila kuyona manje social media?
It has good and bad,
things.
If we can mention the good, we are going to the bad. We actually seske sakhuluma ngebad. Yini what is good?
You like you get to see the outside world.
Exposure.
Exposure
is always there. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's us not talk about exposure. Mina ngifuna ukucabangisa wena ukuthi okay, what is the good thing eyenzayo?
Uyazi mina in my own opinion angazi ukuthi iwela under exposure na, but there are kids whereby they are not very much gifted at school. Mara ku TikTok like magenzi TikTok ukhona ukuba viral nani abone another potential way of doing things,
of trending,
aphumelele via social media into kanjalo, and you get to promote, you get to showcase your work, you can even get sponsors or meet the relevant people via social media. Abanye they are making a living out of it because you can do something umuntu ayithande avela contact or umpromotele or
it's true things born like our Coco Melon na lady aphiwe. Una lady, you remember what trending ubabulala na.
Yes. The song le ayenze ne Chris Brown.
Okay. Then it's when Chris Brown azothatha le ngoma ayifake ku le ngoma yakhe.
Yes. That sample.
Why sample is where is needed aphiwe now? Where is needed aphiwe now?
Ku Metro Awards.
It's flying and she's going international. I'm telling you.
Yeah. You ask le ngoma yakhe my heart go low. It's like
it's Afropop like.
It's Afropop like.
Afrobeat.
It's Africa like. It's Africa like.
Yes.
If that song jo inga feature continental artist. Burna Boy like.
Burna Boy. Wizkid.
Yeah.
But bottom line is social media is doing good to a lot of people. As much as as kunabanye abantu ebamoshelako. Kunabantu ebalungisela.
Yeah, true.
But we need to even think about our comment sections. They are very dangerous. Kakhulu. They can kill self-esteem yomuntu in a very like I noticed something about this guy Yeshama Piano. I won't mention igama because you guys nyamazi. I don't even want to mention him. So I saw ukuthi this thing now is not operating normal now. If you tend to look indlela kade iyona kuma performances akhe.
Shukuthi ama comment am
affectile. Yabo ayehlisile I self esteem yakhe kancane. Okay, right now mhlawumbe he's picking up because uselungisile la bekumele alungise khona.
Ngathi ngiyabona ukuthi ukhuluma ngoba.
Yes. We need to as artist attitude ukuthi you are famous it doesn't mean ukuthi awusay yena umuntu, you are not a human being.
Uthini yena man? Uthini yena?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. So we need to be careful kakhulu. Actually number I'm in music industry. So we need to understand ukuthi attitude. You need to treat labantu they ula ukhona it's because of them.
Yes.
So nje you need to umele wazi ukuthi okay la bantu la bimali yami. So you treat your followers as as how you treat your money.
Mara, okay, I understand. Actually, I even wanted us to touch that topic since we are moving to there. Do I expect my views and opinion about that person, that particular celebrity? I implement. Like when you can have different views about him. Now you can have different views about him. So do we expect him to take all the views and opinions that are coming from the people?
No, not actually. No. What you saying?
When you can have your own views and opinions about him, Nama can have my own. No matter how many are we?
Sibai 3.
And it's not only us.
It's not only us.
Baningi abantu mfethu. And
okay, so I get you now.
expect you to act in a certain way. Yabo. Mina, I feel like the guy was just being him, even though he was being rude to others, but he was just simply being him.
No, that's not being him.
No. It seems like the guy is like that.
There are videos. No, there are videos. There is this video. I don't know. Like about and then and it was like about.
We are fine.
That's you can say that kumuntu fethu because indlela asuke kujabulela ngayo yabo uyakujabulela and there is khona le excitement fethu ukuthi okay ayibona nje ukuthi okay ngimthintile. Okay, I touch ngimthintile yabo. So you need to understand ukuthi vele it's supposed to happen. Yabo khona omunye owakwathi wayonkweba. Angazi uma nekhumbula. Yabona so nje mele fethu understand fethu I-fame the into
ezanayo.
It comes with a lot of things. Famous.
So you must go famous, you need to start acting at a certain way now.
Because into yokuqala impilo yakho it's already out there. You I say nayo impilo yakho is not private anymore.
It's not private anymore.
So
that private life is no longer there.
And everywhere you go, you need to understand ukuthi you're gonna have to take pictures. Each and every corner you need, and you must always act normal njalo. Ungakhathali.
But I still say the guy is just being himself, ne? He's just showing now the true colors. Okay, I met one of the artists, King Shah Airport. I was on the flight. Ne? That guy was late. When he came on the flight, I think it was less passengers to come in. Ne? When he came in, I took my phone and took a picture of him. And I said his name. That guy laughed at us, just smiling. When when it was a time good to see Pume flight in, when we at the airport inside the Ortam, we asked for a picture from that guy. Very polite guy, Baba.
Too much.
Very, very polite.
Too much, Joe.
Down to earth, Joe. Very down to earth.
So that's how.
And that guy is
that guy is too much. Too much. Top brain.
Hey, sengifisa ukumazi ke.
Ngashaya luvalo.
Wanga believe ukuthi iyona ndlela ke ama fans afila kanjalo if ebone artist. So kumele iyona ndlela kumele ba act ngayo.
Yazi mina could understand because thina sometimes iyathusa ukuthi siyenze kumuntu into leyo ngoba ama fans sometimes bayenza ukuthi bayakujabulela mara benze into ethusayo. Thina sike sagijimisa artist edrobheni emain lane. Hla siyambona, nguye lo. Sajikisa iveni. Saba ngeveni umsebenzi yena uhamba ngegusheshe. Mind you, we followed that guy almost for like 10 k's. Ati left, ati right. Ati left. Uthe makapaka imoto naye iyapaka la. The passenger, i-celebrity bekakama ne-passenger. The passenger maqeda ukuhlika, i-passenger yahlika yasixosha. Sithi ayisicela ukushuta, wasixosha lo mthatha hayi nisilandela hambani.
The guy said no.
Let them be. Uzani mathi. Asishuthi. Imagine omunye umuntu phela angeke ayithandi into leyo, but because we are fans. So it goes back to what we are saying. But now asijumpise sise la. Ngicela ukuphuma off topic.
Okay, no problem.
You are a celebrity now. You say your life is out there, ne? You have a relationship. Even your relationship is popular. Yaziwa sayazi thina ama fans we approve of it. Niyahlukana. What needs to happen from there? Do you need to go back to us and say, "Hey guys, niyazi lapha ebengishaya khona. Sebangishayela sihlukene or wenzani?" What's the way forward?
You we break up.
Niyahlukana manje.
Yo. Okay. You kumele mfethu ungayi-announce i-break up yenu ukuthi okay. So that uzokwazi nawe ukuthi uphile impilo e-free.
Bese nanibuyela nako niyabuyelana ukuthi niyabuye nasitshela ukuthi.
Mfethu ungabuyeli
kwi-ex. Awubuyeli kwi-ex.
Let's not go there. Okay, there's this one guy. I don't want to mention names. He's a professional rugby player. There were rumors that he's going through a divorce. There was a statement that he's going through a divorce.
Okay.
All of a sudden, the divorce is no longer there.
And they are happy.
Babuyele.
Okay. the problem is the by announcer. Yabo.
Okay.
So when
I can divorce they should have fanele banga announce divorce before.
Ngoba thina sa understand ningaspices nangabe niyahlukana nangabe niyabuyela ningaspices.
There is khona lento lekhona. Yabo mfethu yabo lento yokuba ne relationship that is out there is dangerous.
That is what?
There is out there
a popular relationship.
It's very dangerous.
For the people, for the streets.
It's very dangerous. Khona this couple ekhona ku TikTok actually abantu bayabathanda Keisha and what?
Oh.
Bani.
Yeah, ngiyambona. Yeah.
Those guys they love yabo nje but they are in love. You know uzusho
I wish
I can have a relationship ekanje.
Yeah.
But yabo if you tend to look ama comments amanye akhona yabo phela uyazi na ukuthi ngeke kube khona kuzoba khona umuntu nje ozofuna ukuhluka yedwa.
Yes.
So ubone ukuthi okay asuthi hayi bengina izolo. Hayibo.
Hi.
So that's the danger and inga raise something komuntu wakho. Even ngisho ukuthi uyakuthemba but ukuthi kube khona ama comments
such comments
akanjalo. Yes, it brings something inakuyena ukuthi usezoyicabanga leyo nto ukuthi mhlawumbe
no into bengekho yazi mina vane ngithi whatever you portraying whether it can be a relationship, it can be you, it can be whatever you portraying, it's not your life behind, it's not how it is behind. Banga portray happiness mara thola ukuthi behind the scenes niyashayana strong. Ufake makeup and shoot ngapha nenza ivideo noyithuni kwatelene.
Yeah.
Omunye la le dining room, omunye la le kitchen.
Yeah, that's true.
Mara Google kanje post ama pictures, omunye abhekeleni post ama pictures nithi I love you so much.
Yeah, that's true.
No nje mina opinion yami nje, my opinion is yabo ayikho into emnandi njenge private life. Private life is peaceful bafethu.
Yeah, a private life.
Yabo a private life.
Abantu bokuthi ngiyamfihla. Yabo ngifihlela.
No. Kahle abantu abasondelene nami they will know. Obviously
the right people
abafuna akufanele bazowazi ukuthi wena umuntu wami.
So you don't post your partner now.
I mean I did bro.
You did a lot.
I did a lot.
Yabona naye le ukuthi umuntu
I did a lot.
Ungamposti bese na umposta ko bese thina siya comment sithi kana udlala.
Yeah, that's my fear.
Sebaqani bayaqala ke.
That's my fear.
Mina ngabe ngizibiza ngompostoli. Because being post I used to post. and then kwafika engqondweni yami ukuthi okay no because bese ngibona ukuthi lento le if iletha ini kumina manje ngathi okay no let me just stop and have a private relationship but kuyena kuqale kwa raise izinye izinto ukuthi no why eseyeka
all over the sudden
unsupposed
yabo so ungaqali nje kufanele vele ungaqali yabo
at all ngoba wayiqala
That's my opinion. I believe relationships are supposed to be private.
I mean,
ungumpostoli now?
Yeah, mina nangithola nizokwazi. Mina when I date you guys will know. Nizokwazi I post my person. I don't believe in a private world. You guys should know this is the person that I'm in love with.
But yena mangabe ekposta yena uzokuposta uvele kanje.
Cha,
kuvele peace.
Yeah, kuvele peace.
They used to post me chief. Kenkatsama. Why? Hey, watch it.
Angithi one of my friend uchile ku Facebook wathi hayi yena ukujolo uyajora mara ukulasta cha.
Ukulasta is not there.
Yeah. Hayi yena ukujola. Uyajola. Ukulasta.
Kulasta.
That's your opinion, ne?
That's my opinion.
When you post
yes.
I mean I've been there, I've done that, I've closed that chapter.
Mina manje I'm single, ne? Okay, I'm single guys.
Ngobuyezwa.
Ngisingle.
Okay.
As soon as
ready.
Sure.
110%.
Sure.
I can give you my phone, Joe. Says I love you. There's no I
love you. You're not ready to mingle.
I'm ready. I'm forever ready. But as soon as ngithola umuntu ngazi ukuthi no man for now I'm dating this person.
Yeah baba.
Yeah, I'm dating this person. I'm gonna post that particular person.
Sure, usigile.
Yeah, I'm single.
Mzansi for sure.
Hayi mina ngikuzwile nje.
Yeah.
Damani basho singile.
Ngithanda ijuice bafo.
Mzansi for sure.
Msala njani?
I'm single.
Akuna I love you nje. Akuna talking stage.
I can sleep at 7:00, wake up at 10:00 the next day. Ngekunomuntu ongibuzayo ukuthi how come ulela ungakangijelanga.
Yeah.
Uvuka ungakathi good morning.
Nje na ukhalela ukudla ichocolate uyayidla imali amaflower imali amazipho imali egirlfriend allowance. Bafika ikhipha igirlfriend allowance man.
Hey bro mina nje mfethu imali ekhanda imali ekhanda majitha imali ekhanda ibalekile majitha ibaleke kakhulu kumele uyikhiphe
especially
malini so
ne weave
ne weave
right usingile wena
ne weave no
by women weave
okay yabona ke this thing lento esikhuluma ngayo ngingavele ngishintshe kanje. Mina I don't believe ukuthi kumele kube khona into awumkoleti lutho ukuthi you are in a relationship naye.
It must come like
when you have. Yabo amantombazane they need
so thanda ngenhliziyo ke wena. Women aba angenzame ukuthi nibe nishintshe le ngqondo yokuthi if umuntu wesilisa ejola nawe kumele he is supposed to do things for you.
Pay you.
Yabo.
It's not a must.
It's not a must. Yabo if it's yabo kumele it must come from the heart. Ukuthi mina ngiyazi ukuthi yabo ngiyazi ukuthi umama okay ngithema ngifika
awulale so ke ngibona. Hayi ngathi le nginayo le awunayo unaleya.
Ushwe
ispatch maboya unayo le yathule.
Yeah but yabo le girlfriend otherwise mina majitha.
Mina it's not compulsory. Just help your partner. It doesn't have to be a necessary amount ukuthi 5,000 mele unginiki 5,000 phela ngikubhadeli angikuholisi. It's not a salary.
Yeah, not a salary.
I'm just helping you as my person ukuthi ukhona ukuba right, ukhona ukugqoka kahle, ukhona ukuba namaweave ubanani ufane nabanye abantu. But it doesn't have to be a must. Manganayo anginayo.
Uyakwenza yini lokho kweni? Abantu besifazane fethu no fethu. Yena uyakwenza yini lokho kweni?
Uyazi zethi mina into engibhorako yini? Umuntu ngijike masenilwa athi mina ngakucelanga
yeah
those amagama Brian
those are words alimaza la
amagama ayabulala Brian bazokuthiwa uthi mina ngakucelanga ukuthi ungenzele you were doing it willingly.
Yeah, that's true.
We don't have to
it's true.
Ene wena lapho uyazishodisa just for yena ukuthi abe right.
Yazi ukuthi bafethu like
it's true ukuthi
kubona umuntu osifazane othi angijoli nomfana ongena mali.
Yeah. No, it's standards chief. Those are standards.
Not standards uyathengisa loki.
Okay. It's standards.
No.
Listen, it's the standard. Bafo.
Okay. It's standard.
It's standard. Bruh.
Okay, Bafo. Listen.
You are purchasing. You are selling.
No. Listen.
Madabazokuthutha.
Let's let him land.
Okay.
Let's let him land.
Bon. Okay. Sasa ngavuka ekseni.
Yeah.
It's like okay, now as a guy I should have standards. I'm not dating someone who's not working. I'm not dating someone who ngana car. So what's the difference between No.
All right.
I mean sasa bafo I can decide ukuthi angijoli umuntu ongana car. Angijoli umuntu ongasebenzi. Angijoli umuntu ongana apartment.
Yeah.
Those are my standards.
Okay.
Before I could date.
Yeah.
So uCherry naye nakachoose ukuthi akajoli nomuntu osona so inkingi kuphi lapho
iza ngikutshela what's the difference between uMahosha nomuntu loyo because uMahosha mawulala naye uexpectani
imali
lo muntu loyo mawujola naye uexpectani
imali
what's the difference
no uMahosha is in the business of selling
yini umehluko the thing is
That's what I should provide. Abamadoda should provide.
Wena usipathi mawoya.
Yeah.
Ndoda nendoda izokuphula ngencingo zayo.
Agree.
Uyema lapho.
No, I agree. Mina no. I'm not stingy. I'm not.
No, it's not about being.
I'm not stingy. But if mina I believe. Okay. You must be able to do things for yourself.
True.
Yabo nje mina nje a successful woman nje umuntu stable okwazi ukuzenzela izinto yena. Yabo okay mina ke I am ngikhona la ukuthi ngikusiza ukuthi if kuukuthi okay ke angisakwazi ukuthi mhlambe ngifike la okay as my boyfriend okay wena sekuzomela ngikutsheleke ukuthi okay la ngiyashota sengakusiza sengakulekelela nothi ukuthi mfethu manje kumele ngiyakhokha nje mina njalo ngenyanga ngiyakhokha
into la sibekeni kuhle guys because this thing it was raised before there's somewhere where I saw it ne ningangene emlomeni let me land ikanje lento ne you need to say ujola nomuntu on a plan not ukuthi you are dating someone who's there because uyazi ukuthi you cannot get the finished product because if finished product angeke ihloniphe than umuntu lengibuilde naye angazi understand mina icherry engibuilde nayo ngenza na izinto angeke ngimenzele njengocherry ngiyomthola senginezinto zami ziphelele angeke kufane like you need to have someone on a plan ni work towards that vision nibe grand nonke not ukuthi uthole the finished product because the finished product no yothola ucherry onemali uyazi ukuthi angeke akuhloniphe especially ucherry onemali okudlula wena uyokuthatha inqumo zakhe.
Yeah, that's true.
Uyokuthatha inqumo za ama decision abamba yena ayi1 because akakudingi wena already bekanayo imali wena you are just a send donor udinga wena ukuthi aservice kuphela uyazenzela lo muntu akadingi mara umuntu obuilde naye uyazi struggle eniphuma kuso uyazi lani khona uyayibona phela uyazi kunomuntu kunocherry brane ukhona umnika 1000 umbona uthi yena akayibhubhudla uyazama uneqhinga like he's working towards something hayi ukuthi umuntu ozomnika 1000 bese kusasa baby awuna 5 rand it's why
kade umnikeze 1000
mara kade umnikele 1000 izolo semele ushayise emberegweni ukuze uzothenga itswayi endlini le 5 rand or ukhipha umuntu angeke ukhipha intombi yakho uyise on a date ubhatela ukudla ubhatela itrip ubhatela ama movie uthenge juice uhlule
thank you so much
na Jerry uhlule nakubhatela igate le ticket le gate uhlule
why kunzima ukuthi wena uthi let's go out for dates for a date mina ushakumina nje usho nje kumina let's go out for a date why abantu besifazane first they always gets like bathola treatment special from us
yeah
unfortunately that's why because
Mother's Day was like bekungazathi ama birthday yabo yabo Valentine's ama birthday yabo
kuhle kahle Valentine's is about women let's be honest
but it's
about women
ngoba nayo la lingerie abayigqokile uyifuna from wena
yes
you must buy
uthenga ama flower when what are you getting from a relationship
isipathi mabo yakuphela
niyaphuma ne restaurant uyakhokha
msala ngisacabanga yema lapho
but then mina guys I want to be honest with you
I'm not against ukuthi umuntu esifazane yabo mfethu kumele umspoile vele mfethu
true
kubalekile
mama liyatotoza
yabo nje mfethu yabo nje ngiyacabanga ukuthi nje umuntu esifazane kuyamjabulisa nje ukuthi umuntu amthema ayibona le ngubo wangicabanga angazi ke about buying stuff angazi ke but
guys
ngamthengela umuntu esifazane icathulo
guys mina I once
why
no I once had someone angazi kasho yini that someone was genuine so that special someone
she's listening she's listening
yakuthanda ukuventa
no I'm not venting I'm just telling you guys I'm just telling you guys nga flop I'm the one who flopped there I don't want to lie and every day I get soul
go deeper sichazela lapha
no
galela juice lapha
I just wish ukuthi there's this song ethi 5 years ago you were mine if I could turn back you remember the song the hands of time if I knew if bengazi ukuthi what's going to happen ngabe ngizinto right
thank you Hlasi
but that's the story for another day
okay can you move to this topic ne do you think there is this thing called the right person the wrong time like dating the right person your right partner but on a wrong time do you believe in that statement that sentiment ukuthi into kanjalo it really exists ukuthi you can date the right person but uthola ukuthi timing ayikho wrong
I think mina ngimkantshobovuke la I ngaze kusi yabo mfethu yenzeka you can be in love ngaleso sikhathi but when uthola ukuthi you are not matured enough ukuthi you can commit to a relationship ngokuphelele but uyamthanda lo muntu and then you tend to ukuthi umlose just because you were not matured like la engqondweni you were not matured ngesikhathi kade uku relationship naye but yena she's right for you but wena ukho matured
yabo or bonga mali enough ngoba thina masithola imali bawungana mali ikwaye likhombe phansi mawunemali gomba phezulu ufuna ukushaya konke nje
mina mfethu I don't believe ukuthi mfethu uma relationship mele kube kakhulu ngemali
no but imali shows it reveals the true person like the true
so kusho ayibo mfethu khona lama blesser lawa mfethu vele njeba kuphi 3000 but akakuthandi akuphe 3000 nje ukuthi
yamuzwa yamuzwa
ufuna ukungena nje ngaphansi kwakho
okay yazi mina why ngithi imali it reveals your true self because ma ukhola 5000 you'll have your like intombi yakho le ma ukhola 100,000 uzoba you'll not date the one lo jela naye na 5000 istandards ya change izinto ziyamuva now imali reveal the true self ikhipha wena ubucobo bakho ukuthi wena umuntu njani
so sisikule ukuthi ukujola nomuntu all right but isikhathi is wrong
wrong timing
angifuna ukuventa but
venta platform no
mina I dated the right partner right everything very matured everything good it's just that nokuthi mangimthola I was still young number 1
yes
I was not exposed to imali ne mase ngi exposed to ukuthola imali she was already here she was been with me through the struggles mase ngithola imali
iwashintsha
not ukuthi ngishintshile for yena I still loved her but imali gave me opportunities that I didn't have when I was broke yenza ukuthi abantu abanye bakhulume nami akade ngeke bakhulume nami mangi broke kunabanye abantu bengibahalela just because I was broke I didn't have access to them but ngoba sekukhona ephaketheni indlela yabona bathi imali doesn't buy happiness amasimba lawo
that's not true
amasimba lawo
ukuthi doesn't buy happiness it
buys you
yeah if ungathiwa right now uthola 10,000 ayi futhi incane leyo mali
hayi incane
mhlambe nje mhlambe imeter ngeke uzushintshe
you'll change but it depends ukuthi change kanjani nase matured enough you'll change ukuthi hey I need to do the right things I need to do here even the way you do things will change but if you are not used to imali obviously uzokubona ku I blew it I wish I had another chance
but now that guys just have flop yazi I think vente kancane
eventing podcast namhlanje
there was this woman in my life
yo another one
no.
yo
DJ
all right so this woman bekangibekezelela
mara bakhethile ne
blind
wanghetha
big time uthi waya singile wena
inkunzi emdwayito
yes okay this year it's some is May sukume my talking stages maybe I've been in 15 talking stages
at the same time
no like the whole year 15 or more
khani yini lekhulunyako wena ongahlangani naye loka unamuntu ohlika naye
yaboreka and I'm afraid to fall in love uyakwazi ukuvuka ebusuku ngo2 uguquke uthi hey ne
ngadleki
ne ubuye uthi ne bacedile ngawo
guys
okay going back to leyanto lekaduyisho le ukuthi being with a right person but at the wrong
time yes
yo machitsa
but nathi siya flop cheaters ngiyavuma lokho
yo machitsa yabo mfethu yabo I always say treat your women right
otherwise they'll treat her right for you
they obviously yabona ngena la bazo akhona machitsa la
there's this saying what
I hope he buys you flowers
you know there's this saying as it in we cheat for fun women cheat for love when they treated good bazokushiya
press
and let me tell you umfazi wathi akasakufuna
yeah
yabona umuntu osifazane into anayo I'm religious by the way. Into uNkulunkulu ayifaka kuyena as umuntu osifazana wamfaka waba strong.
Yeah, strong.
Ukuthi yena uyakwazi ukubezela. Yazi umuntu osifazane angahlala nawe 10 years ubhizi uwenza into eyodwa. Cheating. I always say cheating iyona nje
the main.
Iyona ebulala relationship. Akubekezelele but uzokushiya kanye and unye.
Straight. We did say that on our last episode. And then Usasho Njala, I want us to jump on this next topic. It's almost falls on the same path as this one. Ne? We're standing in front of the altar. Ne? We are saying, through good and bad, Mina will stay with you.
Yeah.
I'm with you through good and bad. Ne? It comes a time whereby umuntu uyashita. Umuntu makachita, you leave that person. Remember, you made a promise. Njame phambi komfundisi ukuthi through good and bad uhlala naye.
Where are you going with this?
What I want to ask is through good and bad, does it count if umuntu uyachita naye?
No.
Aw kani bad yini?
No, there are situations ezoba khona ku relationship, not cheating, chief. Cheating is cheating is wrong. No. Cheating is wrong. Cheating is wrong. Cheating is wrong.
Wrong is bad, Mus.
Cheating is wrong.
Wrong is bad.
Cheating is wrong.
Cheating is wrong.
Okay, let me make this example. Ne? There was this pastor, I don't want to say by name. He made a mistake. He cheated and it came out to the public. This pastor is cheating. Even big pastors came and said, the devil is always there to tempt you. This unity is blessed by God. And the devil is against everything that is blessed by God. I'm glad that all of us here, we can agree on the same thing because we believe in the same religion.
Yes.
That one thing, uNkulunkulu ayibophile, uSatan is against that. uSatan alete your temptation, the right woman for you, the woman in your imagination, akutempt, uthemteke.
So
that bedtime, yiyo leyo that bedtime. That bedtime leyo.
So no one bambile nisho njalo.
Yeah,
Satan. Satan. So baby, sorry Satan.
Yazi ukuthi
asiguqe baby, sikhulekise lo Satan ongenile nje.
Aske sithi yini eyenza umuntu acheat?
Amachita mini last jo.
Last.
Let's be honest.
For men.
Last. Because it's easy for a man to sleep with a lady angamthandi.
Asibheke kanje
so it's hard for a woman. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Asibheke kanje asibheke kanje khona izinto abantu besifazane abangazinaki as thina as abantu besilisa we go through a lot machitha yabo so kenzeka mfethu uthola ukuthi mfethu kuzovele kungabi umuntu wakho ozoba there for you like lo muntu lo sesayidini is only saying the right things lo wakho mfethu
uyafambula nje
akanendaba akakunotice ukuthi no
ayikho right
yabo nje mangathi ngiyafundisa yabo mangabe uthandana nomuntu wesilisa because njengoba ngisho ukuthi amajitha they go through a lot yabo you can have imali engangomhlaba wonke but thola ukuthi awunayo ihappiness nje wena within you yabo wena nje
what's man without happiness
unemali but awukho happy yabo so umuntu wakho lo uyajola naye and akakunotice nje yabo generally ukuthi ayingeke umuntu wami are you okay, is everything going right in your life? Kuyahlangana yabo izinto abangakhuluma abamfethu so mase kuba khona ke I'm not saying ukuthi
kumina ozokulalela
yes akulalele
akubuza ukuthi are you fine
and women yekani ukuba rude yabo umuntu wesilisa once wam disrespect thina siyathanda ukuhlonishwa yabo meke wang disrespect mhlawumbe not once not twice njalo nje wena you are chasing me away.
Iza ngikutshele something Bram. I saw a video related to that whatever that you're saying. That video sometimes you might be in love with the person. Akunikeze 80%. Give you love, give you everything. Akunikeze 80%. Ne? And then because you are ignorant when ukhalela le 20% ufike umuntu ozokunikeza the 20% that ongayitholi umuntu wakho.
Yeah.
then when you go for that 20% mase you crossile that bridge ubona ngathi lo muntu ungcono kunomuntu wakho because you pay that 20% that you longing in your relationship. When you jump over uyabona ukuthi hayi man,
okay,
la ngishiye i80% for le 20%. So ufuna ukuyela back to 80.
Are we allowed to even talk sexual talk?
Yeah.
So let me just speak ukuthi khona izinto futhi yabo mfethu abo umuntu wakho manje umuntu ojola naye akubuye kusafana nalesi sikhathi kade niqala ukuthandana. I'm talking about sexually. Akube kusafana yabo, so seniyazi ukuthi okay nje masingabe lento ubheka phezulu umama nobaba sesiyalala sesizento nje. We don't do fun stuff like doggies, anything yabo,
access missionary
kwenzeke ukuthi ucheat and uvela uthole umshini tesakulalwa la akulalwa la enmaso uyabuyele endlini awukutholi lokho. So I'm encouraging abantu besifazana ukuthi yabo kumuntu wakho you don't have to hold back. Angeke ngize ngithi mina wena ngokuthi you are being freaky. So mina sengizothi no because vele umuntu wami
you must be free kimi.
Be free mina mfethu,
do things, walk naked.
Yes, ngithi nje ngiyangena mhlawumbe kade ngithi ngiyochama nje mhlawumbe ekamereni sakade kuhleli okay ngiyaxolisa but kade kuhleliwe yabo awungithi ngiyafika nje hawu boom na usungigqokele okusha i-uniform yasekamereni. Uyabo yabo manje sengiyasho uyabo umuntu wami nje sengiyasho ukuthi hawu umuntu wami kodwa ungisonkele kamnandi kangaka. So kukhona into eyenzakalayo kwi relationship ukuthi iya spice up yabo. Two things mfethu, not utshale sembedeni njalo anyway
ngeniye phezulu kwefridge kayi1 ngenikhwela ifridge phezulu, especially if nisahlala ninodwa akunangana kunani
anyway
mara yazi yamkaro mathi uhlekani ngoba usingile mzane. Sorry ngiyadlala we. Yazi mina injani yazi mina injani emsana mele uthola umuntu yazi injani into lene. For me nacho, if you go out and you start comparing, you will never see your person the same again.
Yes,
is ngitshele something. Mina I had the NP200. NP200 yam was fine. It was taking me from point A to point B. It was luxury for me at that time because I didn't have other options. Ngatholenye esengizwa ngathi le NP200 yangiqoba, sengizwa ngathi le NP200 yangihlaba, sengizwa ngathi le NP200 is no longer right for me. Mangihamba ngayo ngathi ngihamba ngemoto wrong. Even with your partner, if you sleep with your partner alone, you won't see ukuthi this person wrong.
So
but if uyangaphandle so uyamqhathanisa, so uyazi ngaphandle ukuthi kunani. So uyazi ngaphandle ukuthi umuntu uhlala phezulu kwakho ngathi uhleli phezulu kwesidi uyakaka. Uyazi basibancane besikaka kanjani. Ujama phezulu kwesidi
le nyawo zakho
inyawo zakho ahlale phezulu kwakho enze byani. Uthola abantu abafreak mfethu abaze kwenza izinto uthi ufika umama athi yenza masinya ngifuna ukulala.
Yabo mfethu ile uyona le nto mfethu ngiyaba encourage abantu besifazane mfethu ukuthi abakwenze kube priority nje ukuthi bazame ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi at least ke lapho kuleso sikhala leso bazama ukuthi bazame, because I don't believe ukuthi umuntu wakhe angaphumela ngaphandle if ukuthi uyamanelisa sexually. No bro,
amadoda izinje
no it's
when you bang a site labafazi labadoda
it's in it. No mina ngiyakhuluma
no
ngiyakhuluma
on which perspective.
Let's be specific ukuthi wena usho ukuthi umfazi angeke aphume ngaphandle ifamily isendlini or indoda angeke iphume. Ungamela amadoda
amajita
ukhulumela side lamaji
ngikhulumela lamaji yabo.
Funny
yabo. Okay ngicela sibe realistic is ama out mfethu. Uyazi now mfethu ukuthi engeke bafethe izolo kade umama mfethu umama izinto angenze zona uyabo inkulumo ekanjani yabo ukuthi umama mfethu izolo mfethu ngivele obhozo bagoqene kanje bagoqane
ngathi ngithi umama wathi ngila
ngathi ngithi mama
wathi ngila
wathi nje ngila uyabona so yini into ezongenza ukuthi
when with your own opinion are you saying hey exploring things and spicing things up in bed will reduce chances of cheating?
Yes. Noma phela kuthiwa men vele umuntu osilisa vele nje kudali ukuthi uvele
akuseki. Don't adjust.
Okay,
don't adjust cheating.
Yabo bafethu
don't justify cheating.
They are good men.
No, don't just.
They are good men.
There's no.
Bakona man.
I'm one of them. I'm one of them.
You are funny.
Nzongqatha ni.
No, you know.
Yeah, no.
So they are yabo they are mfethu. They are good men. Yabo umuntu owazi ukuthi mina nje my woman.
Mina ngithi people grow.
Okay.
Abantu they outgrow the
I can say wait. Yabona asibuyele ukuthi if umthanda ngeke uzufuna umzuzu ubhlungu.
Yeah.
Le chief is tricky chief.
Yabo if umthanda
ile is tricky.
Fethu
mara ngithi ngizomzuzu angeke athola she won't know.
She'll find out.
How will she find out?
How would they know?
To all the cheaters now lo cheatayo manje. To all the cheaters nalo cheatayo manje. It's a bad idea. You'll get caught.
Uzobanjwa. And angeke kube mnandi.
And after cheating nje unale conscious yazi le nto le. And as soon as you cheat, ne? Uzokusoloko usola umuntu wakho ngokuthi uyacheat. Let's be honest.
Yeah.
And
because that's what you are doing.
Okay, ngifundisa about isness ukuthi isex yenzani kakhulu kumzimba womuntu. It attracts imoya ethize. Yabo sleeping around. It's bad.
Because
yabo siya exchange. If yabo
that's true.
Mostly abantu esikhathini samanje abawasebenzisa ama condoms.
Yeah, condomize
guys.
Abakholesha ukuthi ama condom jo igovernment inomosha imali. Anokudlanwa ngenyama once kiwe phambili.
So
die let us feel ngenyama kasibili. Ingayisawathi sas drive inkolo ezingana ama airbag. Ufa njengendoda. Akunyeke kufiwe ngiyadala guys condomize. Hey msana ngiyadala. Wankale njalo singile fact.
Yabona akaphazamisa. Yabo. So exchange kwenu imoya. Yabo sex is spiritual. Spiritual thing. So uNkulunkulu wathi mayidala lento for ama humans wayidalele abantu abashadile khoma.
That's why sex before marriage is
to reproduce. It's kune production.
It's supposed to happen but ukuthi isiyenzeka manje nje ukuthi it's a norm ukuthi nje you siyayenza sex before marriage. So it's a norm. So kuyinto nje eyenzakalayo. Akusathusi because
in closing ne ngifuna ukunibuza and don't drag this in closing. Do you choose the one that you love or you choose the one that loves you?
I choose the one that loves me.
You choose the one that loves you. Okay. Wena?
I choose the one that I love.
You choose the one that you love.
I choose the one that I love.
Now I choose the one that I love. Guys.
Sobonana.
So on the next episode.
Yeah.
Scala guy.
Yeah.
Wena stela la pekaya. Do you choose the one that you love or do you choose the one that loves you? Guys, thank you very much for tuning on to today's episode. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button lapo.
Condomize.
Iconal. Until the next one, my face. Thank you.